Hey! Here's, ganon. Going to chop some trees. We're going to chop some trees. High over day. Oh, we're going to chop some trees. We're going to chop some trees. We're going to chop some trees. High over day. Oh, we're going to chop some trees. Hey! Here's a big tree. That's good for chopping. Let's cut this one first.
Yes, stop it!
Minimize lang.
Dito natin yung dial. Tapos, pag magkakat kayo, wala kayong, hey, ha! Ano lang? Pwede. Pwede ganon. Tapos si Teacher Abby.
Ouch! Ouch!
Pwede teacher kayo sa bawat ganon niya, gumagano na parang nasasaktan ka. Ha? Okay. Start natin dun sa kaposisyon na kayong dalawa ni Cindy. Tapos yung dialogue mo. Hey, here's a big tree that's good for chopping. Ulitin natin yun. Hey! Here's a...
Nagulat siya! Nagulat siya! Nagulat si Abby, di ba? Kita-kita sa camera yun. Uy, malayo pa. Tagal na, lasing ko na. Oh.
Hey! Here's the big tree that's good for chopping. Let's cut this one first. Okay, let's cut it.
Seryoso yung Cindy.
Hanggang sa unti-unti kang bumababa, tapos babagsak pa.
Higa ka.
Ready and go. Hindi. Ulitin natin yung shop.
Dadahan lang sila.
Shopping na lang, ha? Shopping na. Ready?
Totoo nga. Ito, napaupo. Baka masira yung costume niya. Oo nga, ganun yung Cindy.
Dahan lang. Ready
Huwag yung
and
tumatama.
Blackpink.
Ano yung mag-Korea dito?
yan. Pababa ng pababa. Tapos babagsak ka, Teacher Abby, sa side mo.
Kawawang Abby.
Mahiga siya, ma'am.
Mahiga.
Sinapchak.
Oo nga, mga Cindy.
Hindi, pag
Chopper.
nakababa na Teacher Abby, baba ka na dyan. Ganyan lang. Habang nakababa na siya, umaganon pa din kayo ni Cindy.
Walang patawad na magsabi.
Tapos, sasabihin ni Teacher Diana lang, para si Dad will do it, let's go!
Oh no! Oh no! Look, fairies! The woodcutter is chopped down our willow tree.
Tapos titingin ka niyan sa baba. Look, fairies. Gaganon mo yung ano yung one. Look, fairies. Habang nagsasalita ka, the woodcutters chop down our willow tree.
Look, fairies! The woodcutter is chopped down our willow tree.
Tapos yung fairies, gaganto kayo dapat. Ganon. Tapos,
Alulong lang, alulong ng aso.
Teacher Lee, wait, fairies. Wait, fairies. You must be doing something wrong. Tama ba yun? Hindi.
If you touch this, if you touch this one,
Wait, ano gagawin ko? Nakaupo ba ako? Ano?
tumayo ka na kunyari.
Tayo ka.
Tapos kami nakaganito pa din. Punta ka sa harapan naman doon yung mic.
Punta ka sa... Wala ka sa teacher rin.
Mother Nature.
Stapler.
Oh, yes! Mother Nature can help us. Let's go see her. Tapos yung ano nila, music ulit nila.
Where is Mother Nature?
Isang ikot
Mother,
Let's
Mother.
go! Mula dito, very sunod. Tapos exit na siren.
Woodcutters.
Ikaw na.
Ayan, exit yung... Bakit sa best lang tayo doon?
Ay, ito lang ba? Akala ko palagi.
So the fairies went on a quest to search for Mother Nature and asked for help to bring the willow tree back to life. They went past the icy mountains and the slimy stream until they reached the magical cave of Mother Nature.
How can we call Mother Nature?
I remember.
I remember. We have to circle our wand 3 times. Click our feet 2 times and call her name. Are you ready? Let's go!
Ay, sorry naman, ma'am.
Gina?
One ilang beses?
Tatlo.
Ano to, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Mother Nature! Mother Nature!
Mother Nature!
Oh, isa pa.
Where is Mother Nature? Mother Nature is missing.
Si Mother Nature.
1, 2. Mother Nature!
Ma.
Nakaganda tayo.
Tapos, dahil wala. Tapos, kasi
Akala ko tinapos.
wala si Mother Nature. Ganyan, wala.
Mother Nature!